how to view your orders in Amazon Shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view the orders. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this tree line icon. Tap on this tree line icon. Here on the right top, tap on account. So these are the account settings and different account option. Now on the top at the first option, you can see your order. Tap on your orders. So this is the section where you'll be able to customize and see whatever you have ordered. Here there are different filters that you can choose from, and here you can even directly search for the product. So this is the place where you'll know what orders you have ordered or place ordered. So this is how you do it, and this is how you see it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.